Alright, what's up, guys? Good roll of thunder. Hopefully that shows up. But I've been chasing a storm here across northeast of St. Louis for quite a while now. I noticed that some activity was on the radar about 45 minutes ago. Decided to hop in the car, go north, trying to find the best country road. But this is a pretty strong storm. Nice clouds here. It's not severe right now, but I will guess it might go severe in a bit. I'm not gonna chase it. I'm way too south of there now, but this is the back of it, kind of toward the front. I don't know if hopefully getting pretty good, but not really seeing much activity. There's no warning on it at all, so just kind of here. I'm gonna show you where I am probably and where the storm is. Let me zoom in real quick. Here's the storm I was looking at, and it looks like we may have another one. Oh, there we go. Let's zoom out a little bit. This is a storm I'm just south of right now. Here's Edwardsville. This is where I live. And it looks like there might be some activity down there again. So I'm going to stay here, watch that storm kind of disappear. I'd probably go north. I don't want to chase that, but there's some activity here, so I'd probably have to turn my car on somewhere. Quite a bit. Nice clouds. Hopefully this shows up pretty well on the video on YouTube. But I was on the highway, and boy, I wish I could have pulled over on the highway, but where doesn't really say it's very busy where I live. And alright, I am back again, and basically the storm I was chasing has gone severe, producing some quarter-sized hail. That's about it. The sun's starting to come out now. Starting to come out now, so I'll be able to see anything. I'm not seeing any type of rotation, anything like that. I always have to watch the outflow area, especially the southern side of the storm. I'm going to be on the southern side for the storm that went north, and this one that's developing right now fairly quickly. Still watching this storm out here. Wow, this has really grown quite a bit. That's a storm to chase over there too. I'm not doing that. I'm all by myself, so I need a friend with me next time to help me with the roads. I'm trying to watch the clouds, see where they're going, and the road at the same time. Not the best idea, but yeah, these storms are really fired up this afternoon. I'm gonna be kind of hooked on it. I don't know, but these storms are producing some hail. There's a lot of reports of hail. Yeah, the sun's really coming up. The sun's really coming out now. This is really going to heat up the atmosphere for these storms that are coming through the line.
Or small interior room. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging.
Alright, so I moved a little more north. This storm has really raced off. They're breaking the rate right now, but the storm might really sped off to the north. I'm not going to chase it. It's going way too fast. Just watching the back side of it. And I'm going to turn around, probably head to SIUE, and watch the storm come in from St. Louis out there. So this is the last of this storm. Nothing much going on. It's a severe thunderstorm warning. So yeah, see ya. Alright guys, I gave up on that storm going north. I am more focused on what is coming to Edwardsville, Illinois. I am right here at that, well, maybe just a smidge south of that white crosshairs, and watching some very impressive storms go over St. Louis right now. Here's St. Louis, just right here. Watching some very impressive storms, and more storms are coming from the south. So basically right here, some very dark skies. This is looking towards St. Louis area, and very dark clouds. Too far away from lightning and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna chill at this church here for a while. Unless something happens, I probably. Oh, here's the updated radar. Most of these storms are not tornadic. They're producing just some hail. Size of quarters, I guess, is what they're saying. See the tornado watch. Quarter size hail, blah blah blah. I'm not saying there's any crap. Keep hitting the wrong button. I'm not saying there's any confirmed reports of anything. So I'm gonna keep it here. Alright guys, I'm back at the church. They issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Looking south here, this is the storm that's coming up from Belleville. And if you look up right here, darker skies, that's coming from St. Louis. So basically, if you look at the radar, anytime you have storms coming in from the south in front of the line, that can cause some tornadoes when they meet, cause some rotation. But some very strong storms right here, some very severe storms. And here's the storms coming from Belleville right here, the actual line. I'm gonna get my friend come out here if he can, and hopefully he can come out here. We're gonna watch this together. But it's pretty impressive. So let's go take a break here. Wait till it gets here, and that's pretty much it. Oh, let's see here. What are the tornado warnings for? They have them so far down. Oh no, maybe not. Yeah, up here. Those are cells I was chasing. They got tornado warning. Wow, that's Springfield, Illinois. So Springfield, Illinois. They got a tornado warning up there. Litchfield, Illinois. North of here, those storms I was chasing. If I had somebody with me, I could have chased and had more gas. Could have chased those storms very easily, going up 55 to Chicago. So this is showing up this kind nice thunder. So take a break, guys, and probably start recording once the storm gets a little closer. Kind of far out a little bit still, but it seems with dark skies. So go stop it here, and I'll start recording. Get the storm. All right, guys, just started raining now. I had to roll up my window, and basically these storms, like I said before, that I was chasing earlier, went tornadic, and there's also some tornadic storms south of here. So the storm I'm following does not have a tornado warning on it right now, but doesn't mean it won't. A couple storms from the south, and this line that was moving from west to east collided. Hang on.
The National Weather
Okay, they just issued a tornado warning. They have just issued a tornado warning
in St. Clair County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler.
Okay, they have issued a tornado warning for Edwardsville. I need to get out of here.
Tornado. This dangerous storm was located.
I'm gonna go home, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, guys, they issued a tornado warning. I'm heading home right now. Actually,
girls, take a look. This is
I'm gonna get on Governor's Parkway here, and I'm gonna head home. They issued a tornado warning for this right here. This is very impressive looking. It's rain wrapped. If there is a tornado, it'll be rain wrapped. And yeah, so get home. Probably sirens are probably going off. I can't hear them right now, but they just issued this. I knew that was going to happen. Two storms did collide. That causes rotation. So I am going to rest stoplight here. So I want to look around, see if I see rotation above the clouds right now. There's the sirens. Sirens are going off right now. Nice bolt lightning. Yeah, so basically, I'm getting very wet right now, but I'm doing this for you guys. Hang on, I'll see you guys later. Wow, this is some rotation right here. You got clouds. Oh my god. That's the rotation right here. These clouds are moving behind me. It's probably the direction. That's why the sirens are going off. Supposedly there's a tornado where I was in Hamill. I'm not sure that's true. I don't think the storms got there yet. I'm going to go downstairs real quick. So I'm going to close the garage door and broadcast from the downstairs basement. Probably the safest idea right now. What are they saying now?
Seeking shelter at this point. This is a very dangerous storm.
Where they said tornado was?
It does have a history of
that's a
producing
tornado.
large
There's a rotation
hail.
in Casey.
Circulation is indicated by radar, so possibly producing at this point, we would think, certainly producing some large hail. You can see 255, 270 out along Interstate 70.
So right here, aren't we?
Here.
Yeah.
That whole area.
Here's Edwardsville. We're down here.
Right now, that's where your circulation seems to be most likely to be occurring, and the potential for a tornado with this storm. So you should be seeking shelter if you're in the path of...
Go ahead, Ken. Well, they canceled the tornado warning for St. Clair County. So obviously it's continuing to move off to the northeast toward Madison County.
Okay.
So it remains in effect for central Madison County until 5:45.
So this area
it's near Maryville.
They cut out.
Right. It's near Maryville at last check and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. So places like Edwardsville and Wood River, Bethalto, Roxana, St. Jacob, Marine, Carpenter, Dorsey, places like Warden, Alhambra.
Oh, there. That's
On the edge of that.
Places,
Oh my God.
to the northeast.
Right here.
159.
Into Madison County.
Oh, wow.
Because it canceled out St. Clair. So that's just an update. And 1 inch hail reported in Wood River.
Oh, getting quite a bit of wind now. Some very strong wind. Here comes the rain. Start hailing probably soon.
So very quickly, kind of running up near into the west of Interstate 55 there. It looks like if you're in Glen Carbon, most likely you're under the gun too. You see Maryville just to the south and southeast of Glen Carbon.
Tornado warning for Montgomery County, Illinois.
Okay. Is that a new
Yeah, that's
cell?
brand new.
Let me know where that storm is located, because that initial storm had moved out of Montgomery County, Illinois.
There's a good carbon sirens now. I think.
A funnel cloud near Headache, and I've circled that area, moved into that.
And those are cells I was chasing earlier.
Line, and right now, no reports of rotation coming out of it. But
Dad's like, I'm in the basement. I hear sirens. Like, yes, Dad, I know.
It's north of St. Louis. Anywhere along this line.
I would have drove to Litchfield, but I didn't have anybody with me, and I'm like, well, yeah, I'm like, well, if I had you or my mom or Dad and
tornado watch is going to continue until 9 o'clock.
What? Oh man. That's some wind right there.
Specific rotation for our viewers at home, but at least we can kind of drill down in that area and give you an idea of what's happening. And no reports of any kind of damage. So even though we're still on the air, we've kind of taken over the 5 o'clock news here, and we'll continue to bring you the storm tracks and watch this storm call. Even though we're still on the air and watching this, there's no reports of any kind of funnel clouds out of that particular side.
It's all rain wrapped. You can't see crap.
So far, that's real good news. It's still daylight too. Of course, if you're under that storm, it's not daylight. It becomes very dark. So it's still daylight too. There's still maybe some storm spotters across the area or storm chasers. We're in an area too where some storm chasers may be active, so they'll be watching. And if we get any of their reports, we're going to bring it to you live right here.
There's a report of rotation. A spotter sees some rotation near Edwardsville.
Okay. Any specific, like north of Edwardsville, or
doesn't say?
Yeah, I could tell. You could tell by the wind. There's definitely something. Rotation north. You say anything?
Okay, so let's get an idea of the track of this thing. So here's the loop, and
you know, you can also move it. Go ahead. I'm sorry. You can also point out, Steve, these although this stuff is moving pretty quick, it's not making a lot of wet.
Huh? No. It's about to probably. I don't know why.
Slow. This area around Edwardsville to Roxana, Alton's getting out of the rain now at least, but from Edwardsville, Troy, Roxana, could have some flooding areas, at least short term, because of the heavy rain in that area.
Probably not going to hail. That's disappointing.